Workout apps promise results all the time, so today we're asking the real question. Does the Setgraph app actually help you get results, or is it just another fitness fad? Let's break it down. So Setgraph is an AI-powered fitness app that claims to create personalized workout plans based on your goals, experience, and time available. It adapts routines over time, offers video guidance, and tracks progress all from your phone. But personalization and tracking don't automatically mean results. Here's why many people actually like Setgraph. Adaptive personalized plans. Routines change with your progress, goals, and feedback. Clear exercise videos and instructions. Great for beginners who need form guidance. Built-in progress tracking, so you can see how many reps, weights, and workouts you've completed. Many users say this keeps them consistent, and consistency is the most important part of real progress. But there are some downsides. There's no magic results. The app can guide you, but you still have to work hard and be consistent. Some users say the AI recommendations aren't always perfect and sometimes feel generic. The free tier is limited, and the full experience requires a paid subscription. You need good form and discipline. The app can fix improper technique without real-world coaching. So does SetGraph actually deliver results? Yes, but only if you put in the work. The app helps structure workouts, adapt plans, and keeps you consistent, which is what produces real progress. But it's not a miracle. Your effort and consistency are still the driving force. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.